Why smoking in the morning is equivalent to committing suicide. If you are used to smoking at the following 3 moments, I'm afraid what you're inhaling is not just nicotine, but a more toxic arsenic. Before we start, we have to recognize the true face of cigarettes. As early as 1993, it was designated by the World Health Organization as a type of narcotic shame, which means that its narcotic evidence is unconfirmed. Time goes back to 2024. The study of the University of London in the UK gave a more alarming calculation. Every time you inhale a cigarette, your life may be shortened by about 20 minutes. The number of people dying every year because of it is about 7 million. This number is shocking. If you can't quit for a while, then avoid the following 3 dangerous habits to at least keep you away from the cliff. First, please put down the cigarette when you eat. A cigarette contains more than 7,000 chemicals, of which 69 are recognized as carcinogens. After inhaling, these harmful substances will be stubbornly attached to your mouth, teeth, tongue, and gums. When you eat, they will slide into your stomach with food and stimulate gastrointestinal secretion. Once the protective barrier of the gastrointestinal membrane is destroyed, various stomach diseases will come to you. The correct approach is to wait at least 30 minutes after inhaling to eat and rinse your mouth carefully with water. At the same time, don't inhale cigarettes around others to avoid catching a fish. Second, don't rely on cigarettes to wake up when you stay up late. Staying up late will make your body in a state of emergency. At this time, a large amount of hormones will be secreted, causing your heart rate and blood pressure to rise. If you light a cigarette at this time, your bones will further stimulate the nervous system and add oil to the body's rapid secretion fire, causing the cardiovascular system to be hit by double blows like a roller coaster. Imagine how dangerous this is. For people whose hearts are not very good, this is no better than jumping off a cliff. Third, and this is the most important point, don't smoke immediately after getting up. After a night of consumption, the body is in a state of deficiency of water and hunger. The blood becomes thick and the flow is slow. If you keep smoking at this time, your bones will quickly contract your blood vessels. This is like pouring a pot of oil into a narrow drain and causing blood flow to be unstable. According to the Health Risk Assessment Report of Chinese adults using tobacco, people who smoke within 15 minutes after getting up have a 36% higher risk of cardiovascular disease than ordinary smokers. What's even worse is that according to the Chinese Cardiovascular Health and Disease Report, more than 60% of cardiovascular death occurs between 6 and 10 a.m. So the first thing to do when you wake up is not to touch the tobacco box. Speaking of which, maybe someone will ask, since tobacco is so harmful, why do you still produce it?